Well, here we go again with Thomas Peterson versus Jamal Polks, another fireworks combat. Thomas Peterson is always looking to capitalize, finish on his opponent. He destroyed Chandler Cole via key lock. He was better than Richard Foster, Corey Mogenburg, and he lost to Valdo Cortez Acosta, who is now a UFC fighter. Thomas Peterson had a very dominant run at LFA, and now he's gonna fight Jamal the Stormtrooper Polks, 10-0, 6'3", 77 inches of reach. He's bigger than Thomas Peterson, but Peterson has a knockout power under his belt. The majority of Polk's fights went the distance. He lost to Alex Polizzi via heel hook. He lost to Mick Parkin in a technical fight. But I believe you can't take part in a technical fight against Thomas Peterson because Peterson is a guy who wants to knock you out by any means necessary, and Peterson will be looking for a knockout. So I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. I'm saying Peterson via some kind of a stoppage. Polks is pretty much overrated.